In this video, we will explore the contact section in GoHighLevel. So, in the left hand side, you can find the contacts, and then once you are in here, you can actually add a contact. So let me show you how to add a contact manually. Click on Add Contact and first name. Remember, if you already have the contact with the same email, that will not be added, and then you can add the phone number if you want to, but I'm just leaving it in here. And in this way you can add a contact in go high level. And now let's suppose if you want to add a tag, you can add the tag in here. So let's suppose if we add a tag as grant access, let's suppose, then apply. So you already have an automation on this tag as well, so it's giving access to one of our course. So access is granted, so you can see all the fields in here. And also in the action tab you can add that into opportunities. Let's suppose create a new opportunity, and you can enroll that particular contact into opportunity section. So in here you can select the pipeline where you want to add, and then the stage. So that's how you can add a particular contact into opportunity section and then create. So opportunity will be created, as you can see that is successfully created. And you can also enroll a particular contact into a particular workflow. So let's suppose select a workflow. These are all the workflows that are published. So if you can enroll that manually as well, so if you want to. And if we go back to the contact section again to explore other features that GHL offers. So let's suppose we have another feature which is the importing all the contacts. So you can import all the contacts from in here. So let's suppose if you have a file and you can actually import the contacts. So I'm not importing it right now, but before that we can do few other things. Okay, I'm now adding a filter. The filter is actually tag is, let's suppose, grant access, and it will show us all the leads that have that particular tag. So let's suppose if I select all of them, that those are almost 50, then we can export these. Yeah, so all of these leads will be downloaded. So now we actually go back to check progress. For that purpose, you need to go to bulk actions. As you can see, the export is completed, and then you can download your file from here. A CSV file is downloaded. So now let me show you how to import all the contacts into GoHighLevel. So click on this particular import button, and then contacts. We are importing contacts, not the opportunities, and upload your file. So this is our file, that is exported contacts that we have just exported, and then next. And now you have the option. This will either create or update. As you can see, these fields are mapped, so we will map all the fields that we want to. You can add these fields in here. But I'm not adding that. And next, so you can add a tag to imported contact. So let's suppose I'm just adding the tag grant access for ensuring that none of them miss that. So when you click on that, and also you can create a smart list for new contacts by imported, create a smart list. So let's suppose we can create a list and name it as new enrollments. And you can also add all the imported contacts into a particular workflow and confirm that they already have in touch with you and start import. So now the import is in progress. So again, go back to bulk actions and check the progress. So click on bulk actions. As you can see, 18% is completed. Click on stats. Still in progress, 54% right now, and with zero error. It's still working. Almost there. Let's see. Yeah, one error. So we can just find the error. So this is not imported because the duplicate phone number is found. That's why this is showing error. You can actually clean your file before importing that. So that this is done. So now go back to your smart lists, and this is the new smart list that we have created, the new course enrollment, and you will see that all the contacts are in this particular. Let's remove all the filters, apply, and you can see all the contacts are in this smart list. 50 contacts selected. As you know, we have uh, exported 50 contacts, and all of these 50 contacts are now in here. So this is how our contact section it actually works. So this is all about the contact section, and there are several other fields. So let's suppose you want to add another column in here for your proper view. You can add that. Let's suppose from the contact field, what best describes you, number of pages, that's up to you. And we have several other fields as well. So this is the complete overview of the contact section. We will see you in the next video. Thank you so much.